Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA installer cannot continue. First, open the file directory where the NVIDIA driver app is located. Right-click on the NVIDIA driver file, then select WinRAR from the context menu and click on the Extract to File Name feature. This will extract all the contents of the driver installation package into a new folder. Wait for the extraction process to complete. Next, open the search menu on your computer and search for Device Manager. Click on Device Manager to open it. In the Device Manager window, look for Display Adapters and expand this section by clicking the small arrow next to it. You will see the name of your graphics card listed here. Right-click on your NVIDIA graphics card and select Update Driver. In the window that appears, choose the option Browse My Computer for driver software. Then, navigate to the folder where you extracted the NVIDIA driver files earlier. Select the folder and click Next. The system will now search for the necessary driver files within the selected folder and install the appropriate drivers. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once it's done, you should see a message indicating that the drivers have been successfully updated. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.